Hello, I am Abhay Pratap Bas. I am going to play a role of Ravi.
And my name is Ekta Sahu. I am going to role play a Neha.
So now let's start.
Hey Ravi, you look tired. What happened?
Yesterday I was at home all day, but so many things were done.
Like what?
The home was cleaned, the kitchen was repaired, and I had to do my homework too.
That's a lot. So the cleaning was done by you.
No, it was done by my sister. She has been helping a lot lately.
She must be very responsible.
Yes, she is. I am lucky to have a sister like her. Thank you. Hello, my name is Tavi. Today I am playing a role of Tanya.
Hello, my name is Swarya. Today I am presenting a drama of Vihan.
Let's start. Have you ever been to a museum, Farhan?
Yes, I have visited a science museum. It has built for 2 years.
That's great. What do they have there?
They have many sections, robot, dinosaurs, and one robot has been controlled with voice.
Amazing. I think something like this has not been seen in our town before.
Exactly, you must visit. A lot of effort has been made every keep it interactive.
Thanks for the idea. I am going this weekend. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Pratiksha and I am going to play the role of Ananya.
Hello, I am Samir. I am going to play a role of Mehul. Hi Ananya, do you have a minute? I need some help with my homework.
Sure, what happened?
I am confused how to use has and have properly.
It's easy. You can use has with he, she, it, and you can use have with I, you, we, they.
Got it. Like I have a red pen, he has a new cycle.
Exactly, and don't forget my book have been lost is passive voice.
Oh, like someone lost them but we don't know who.
Correct. In active word, you would say someone has lost my books. Hello, my name is Mukta. I am going to play a role of Sanya. Hello, my name is Jagriti Sahu. I am going to role of Chris. Hey Chris, do you know who has taken my English notebook? I think it was borrowed by Arva. He needs it for notes. Oh, he should have told me. I was searching for it everywhere. Don't worry, it will be returned today. He has already completed copy. Good. I has to submit it tomorrow. If not, a duplicate can be printed. I have even saved a file. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Bhaumik and I present a drama of Rola.
And my name is Sumkesh Kumar Sahu. I present drama Kabir.
Hey Kabir, do you have any homework left?
Yes, I have completed my science project by tonight.
I done with mine. I completed it yesterday.
That's good. What was your topic?
I worked on rainwater harvesting. It was very fun and educational.
Sounds good. Mine is about solar panel. I still have to make the model.
You still have time. You good at model anyway.
Thanks. Let's exchange our project idea after class.